Comments down below. Okay, onion, I'm cutting up. My jerk chicken, I do it different. It have to stay there and soak. I should do it from yesterday, but you know, I just did get a little carried away. So look at it now. Wow. Ain't you gonna like this now? Look at this again. A little bit more clove. Right? Yes. See here? So watch me now. Look at this beautiful color now. Okay? Light it up. Look at it. Just light it up. You see it? Look at the color now. Ain't it pretty? Like it can heat already. Delicious. Aunty Clair. You don't want to get the aroma of it. That smell is so beautiful. So tasteful. When you eat it, you can't stop. Right? So what I want you to do, just like, share, comment down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Look at it. Look. Look. Ain't it beautiful? Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You don't want to taste it. Oh, it tastes wonderful. Just like when you go to Jamaica and order a piece of jerk chicken. That is the way we do it. So I'm going to cut up some scallion now. Right? I'm cutting up my scallion. Yeah. I have a lot more cooking to do. But each time I do it, I will just let you guys comment down below. Right? Don't forget, touch the notice button, tell a friend. Okay, like it up. Just like it up. Wonderful. God bless. Aunty Clair. Look at it now. Beautiful? Yes. So my son is behind the camera, running it. Yes. Yeah, look at that now. Ain't it nice? Can't find it better than that. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna bag up this one. Then a little more, you're gonna see some more season up, some more chicken. Right? So what you're gonna do now, like, share, comments down below, tell a friend, tell a friend. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Anything you will know. Okay? And thank you. Yes.